Allstate new car replacement features, strengths, weaknesses. Allstate's new car replacement coverage is a valuable add-on designed for owners of brand new vehicles. The core feature is simple. If your car is totaled within the first few years, typically 1 to 3 years depending on the state and specific policy, Allstate will replace it with a brand new car of the same make and model, minus your deductible. This differs significantly from standard auto insurance, which only pays the depreciated value of the vehicle at the time of the accident. So, if you bought a car for $30,000 and it's totaled 2 years later, the standard insurance payout might only be $20,000, leaving you to cover the $10,000 difference to buy a new replacement. New car replacement eliminates that gap. This coverage is ideally suited for individuals who prioritize financial peace of mind and want to avoid a substantial out-of-pocket expense following a total loss of their brand new car. It's also attractive to those with tighter budgets who might struggle to cover the depreciation gap. Now, let's examine the strengths. The primary benefit is obvious. You get a brand new car, not a check based on depreciated value. This is especially beneficial in the early years of car ownership when depreciation is steepest. It provides a financial safety net, ensuring you're not left scrambling to finance a new car after a total loss. The weaknesses? Firstly, it's only available for new cars. Once your car passes the age threshold, typically within 1 to 3 years, the coverage ends. Secondly, it's an add-on, meaning it increases your premium. You need to weigh the cost of the coverage against the likelihood of a total loss and your ability to absorb the financial hit of depreciation. Furthermore, availability varies by state, and specific policy terms dictate the exact replacement process. It's critical to carefully review your policy documents to understand the limitations and eligibility requirements. Finally, some policies might have mileage restrictions. In conclusion, Allstate's new car replacement is a strong product offering significant financial protection for new car owners, mitigating the sting of rapid depreciation after a total loss. Its value hinges on your individual risk tolerance, financial situation, and the specific details of your policy. Carefully consider the added premium and whether the peace of mind it provides justifies the expense, especially if you tend to keep your cars for a longer period. Before making a decision, compare Allstate's offering with similar products from other insurers to ensure you're getting the best value for your needs.